Sometimes in Norway, the most boring places can surprisingly have a very interesting and exciting history with a ton to see. Such a place is Nesflaten in the northern part of the municipality of Suldal. This video has been produced in collaboration with Discovery Route and Energihotellet in Nesflaten. You find more information at the end of the video. Located at the shore of the lake Suldalsvatnet, this place is today a very quiet place, with some houses and a grocery store. Nesflaten is also home to one of Norway's most famous water power plant, the Røldal-Suldal Kraftanlegg. It is not the largest or most powerful, but it has a very famous architecture, which was designed by the architect Geir Grung at the end of the 1960s. The style is functionalism. This is in strong contrast to anything around the plant. Part of the plant is also the Energihotellet, which opened in the old engineers and worker complex, which is decorated in the futuristic 60s style. Nesflaten lays along Road 13, which is and was an important connection between northern and southern western Norway. Today the road goes through many tunnels, but up to the 1990s, the road went through the narrow valley of Bratlandsdalen, just north of Nesflaten. It is still possible to walk along the old road, but it isn't as spectacular as it used to be when the first tourists came to Norway. Many of the narrow tunnels and half tunnels were widened to let trucks pass. Until 1979, the road ended in Nesflaten and the cars had to be loaded on a small ferry and transported to Suldal. The ferry MS Suldalsporten was commissioned in 1939 and could take 12 cars and nearly 350 passengers. It ran until 1979 when the road along Suldalsvatnet was opened. Instead of keeping the ferry, it was sunk into the lake. When driving along the lake, you will arrive at the small parking place marked with Røynevarden. A trail from the parking place will lead you to some old farm a couple of 100 meters from the road. The farm was abandoned in 1946, but it was restored in 2013 by the Ryfylke Museum. You can visit the exterior at any time, but the inside is only available for group visits. See link in the description. If you like hiking, there are many nice mountains in the region with the Rogaland's highest tops. That's it. We hope this video was useful. Please give it a like, and if you haven't done it, then subscribe to this channel. Be sure to check our Facebook and Instagram for bonus content. Discovery Route is an alliance of hotels and touristic companies along Route 13 between Stavanger and Bergen. The original Discovery Route was established in the 1880s to allow rich Englishmen to experience the wilderness of Norway. Also today you will find Norway's iconic landmarks along the route like Preikestolen, Låtefossen and the Hardangerfjord. Check their website for more information and booking. Above the beautiful Suldalsvatnet you will find Energihotellet in Nesflaten. Energihotellet is family run and decorated in minimalistic design. The hotel was designed in the 60s by the renowned architect Geir Grung and was built in connection to the nearby power station. The architectural work consists of a housing estate, power station, and the building which today is Energihotellet. The rough concrete brutalism breaks with what you would expect to find in a small village in western Norway. Local food, industrial history, architecture, and culture are key points with the lake and the surrounding mountains as backdrop. The hotel is located by Road 13, so guests have easy access to activities and attractions in Suldalen and Upper Ryfylke. Parking is free charging is offered to electric car owners.